So, to continue what I was saying last time, I think DK's got... No, DK doesn't have the Happening Star. It depends on where Wario is. Wait, Wario's a space ahead of me, so he could still get this, depending on what he rolls. Yeah, he got it. That was absolutely no surprise. So he's still going to wind up with just enough. But yeah, I was saying at the end of the previous video, with things like fighting games, you don't actually win per se. The AI lets you win. You don't... Because the AI can generally read your control inputs, it knows what you're going to do, it can perform all of the combos at optimal precision without having to worry about delay and things like that. All those things. Oh, the star can be up there? So yeah, basically you only win in a fighting game because the AI deliberately chooses to make suboptimal decisions that allow you to fight back. And I have to lose my money as well. DK is really closing in on that. So I think what I want to do, though, is steal from Wario. Because that still leaves Mario in a very strong position. Bowser does his not more chance time! No! At least this can't screw me over. You've got to concentrate so much. Like, you can rig it, but you've just got to get that timing right. You've got to get that timing right, and DK's closing in. Coin block bash, hooray! DK is closing in on my coin star, which is a problem. I thought I set a good result. Okay, I'm dead. What was in this one? Dang it, Mario got that one. Everybody got some money. I think I got a decent amount just by scavenging from Wario. Wario got 2, I got 11. So that still puts me in a... So DK... Yeah, that's a problem. DK is going around in a circle. No, he's not. He's got just enough to steal, and he's going for a star. Right, this game requires so much planning. This is surprisingly intense. This is actually one of the more cerebral games of Mario Party, even if it's insanely frustrating. Finally, somebody who's not me got sick! Yeah, don't eat the mushroom. Having seen that level on Knit Stories, God, that's a trip. Alright, well, he's stealing from me. I need to do something about Mario, though. But whoever I steal from, I'm at a bit of a disadvantage. But I do have to steal from... I have to steal from Wario. Pedal power. Wario should win this easily. We'll watch him... I'll grab a drink. The ghosts ate the fat man again! The fat man has been eaten by ghosts twice. Not a good result for Wario. Alright, so. My move. Okay, good spot. So I have to take that star from Wario because that at least puts me in third. Admittedly, the fact that I'm yelling at the game a lot probably does mean I need a drink, and this at least allows targets to be on somebody else's back. There have only been 4 stars collected this whole board. This is good. This puts me in a good position. Mostly. Box Mountain Mayhem again. Might as well get some coins. I'm pretty sure I'm leading the minigame star. Because I just chose to screw everyone over, so that doesn't disadvantage me a lot. There we are. I think that gave me some good money. Sometimes the really low-level AI will fail to... Mario got 20. Jeez. Mario is closing in on my coin star. It's never safe in this game. Jeez. So DK is still dead. Mario has just missed the star. Wario can go for it. Can change the gate. He's decided to waste his money on that. I need to find a way to loop around to get to Boo. And I need to start racking up more money because you... Why did he cut himself off? Alright, I'd like a big roll, please. I'll accept that. Oh, facelift. It's always Bowser. Interestingly, when it becomes other characters' faces in Mario Party 2, you can only style Peach's hair. You can't mess up her face. Alright. So we need that. See, it always just... It's always just that little bit off. Bowser's face melts down. Do we need to tuck it in a bit? I think we need to make the eyebrows bushier.
Finish!
94! Not bad. I think you still need to get 90 or more to get coins in that. But a few extra coins never hurts anyone. Whew. Where's this going to go next? I've clawed my way back into second. And DK's got a plus block. We're getting a lot of coins from Cooper. Mario? Oh, not again! I give 10 coins to myself. What? How's this going to screw me over? The chance times have either been complete fizzes or they've backfired on me. At least I'm not involved. That's fine. Wario's nearly broke, so... Whew. That star is so precise. And Wario immediately proceeds to squander most of them. 9. Okay. C-map. I have 5 moves left. I get a 1-player minigame. Yeah, I think I'll leave that as it is. Because I want whatever I get from this. And of course it's Limbo Dance. Which I'm really, really bad at. And you can actually get 2 courses. Alright. Alright, don't press A if it looks like you might fall down. Slowly let yourself up. Jeez, it didn't give me any time to not get back up. Like, I pressed A once and I fell over. Probably because I was trying to make sure I go under the... It's finicky. It's just really finicky. Tightrope treachery. Now, let's see if we can actually dislodge the AI, because both times I've done this, I've been shot off from the middle of the rope because the game just decided, no, I die. And the wind affecting us is a pain in the backside too. Alright, we hit Wario. We've hit him again. We've hit him... How many times did we hit him? How many times did we hit him and he was nowhere near falling off? And I get hit with 1 cannonball when I'm in the middle of the rope and I'm in the drink. It's a bit ridiculous. So we need to see what's going to happen to Mario, because Mario is going to steal from me if he... Mario's going around in circles. What's... I have no idea what's going to happen. That... Alright, big roll. Okay, so that sort of works. It gets Mario out of that top area, and it does trigger the fact he's going to... Oh, not tug of war. I might have been able to win Crane Game. Here go my coins. Alright. I'll take that. I am fighting like a madman to protect my Coinstar lead. And yeah, it's no surprise they gave out gloves. You can get intense friction burns from that. That is a horrible minigame. Right, I'm just scrambling to protect that. If Mario could get a warp block and get out of there... What's DK gonna do? DK's changed the gates and has sent Mario into another loop. That at least means that Mario can't steal a star from me just yet. DK's closing in on it, but... Mario just misses. Whew. He's still hanging around my Coinstar total. I think I'm leading the minigame star. What's Wario gonna do? He's not gonna squander anything. I think I've got the happening star, though. I think I'm in the lead for that. I've got to start planning for the last 5 turns. 10! Finally! It's been a while since I rolled a 10. So, I do want to steal a star, and I want to steal Mario's. because that'll force his hand if he winds up getting to the star or back to Boo. There's been a lot of theft going on. And I'm on my own again. What have I got? Oh. This makes me panic. If I go into concentration mode, I'm gonna have to concentrate. Mash! I've got to use those vines to keep ahead. Oh, somehow... Oh, it is breathing down my neck. It is seriously breathing down my neck. Come on. I screwed up. And I still won. That tells you how unbalanced that game is. Bit by bit, I push Mario back from my Coinstar total too. I'm in a good spot. This is the last turn of this video, I think. Yep. Where does this go? DK misses out. Mario actually has... I think that's his first happening space. He has the star. Unless somebody gets a warp block. Wario is probably going to steal from me. He's stolen from Mario. Okay. Finally, did something intelligent. Jeez, he got a bit of a bonus there. Suppose he deserved it. He's suffered a lot this game. Alright, so Luigi, what are we going to do? I'm going to stay here. And I'm going to see what the last video brings. Well, once again, we are threatened with a terrible fate of being sent out in the ocean to die. Who's going to wind up being marooned? Mario's a bit slow there. Whoa, that's a bit of a trick. And DK is dead. DK is the first one to be cast into the brine. Mario joins him shortly afterwards. You only win this because the AI screws up on purpose. And there we are. Wario put up a good fight, but he too is cast adrift and Luigi wins, with the last 7 turns looking to be pretty good. It's tight though.